Today's topic is on skincare. Skincare is very important for your daily routine, your nighttime routine, makeup routine. So I have a whole bunch of products here to show you guys what I've been using and my, current skincare routine. So grab your popcorn because this is going to be long and let's get started. First products I'm going to talk about is my face cleaners or cleansers. And look at this, I have a little basket of things here. So yeah, I have 3 current face cleaners. First one I'm going to talk about is this Biore charcoal deep pore charcoal cleanser. And this, obviously I've used it a lot. This I purchased when I was, I think, pregnant. Yeah, so this, I've had it for a while now. But I was getting a lot of breakouts because, you know, hormones get crazy and whatnot. So I purchased this and this was really good. I still use it occasionally. If you need to clean your pores really well and you have some breakouts or acne, this is really good. Charcoal is always good for cleaning out the pores. I've also been using this gel mask and scrub by Freeman. I know this is a mask, but I've been using it as a scrub for the face because it's not that harsh. It's mainly natural ingredients, so I can use it as a facial cleaner because I have normal skin. My skin is not sensitive, it's not oily, it's not like acne prone. So I have normal skin and some things I can use as cleaners. So I've been using this as a regular face cleaner and it's been working for me. It's a charcoal plus black sugar. So yeah, this is really good. It says it's for all skin types as well. So that's a plus on this. I really like this for an everyday scrub. This gets like all that nasty stuff out. So I really like that. But currently the only facial cleanser I've been using is this Mario Badescu enzyme cleansing gel, and this is for all skin types as well. This contains papaya grapefruit infused formula. It removes excess oil and dulling surface impurities to rejuvenate the complexion, leaving skin bright and refreshed. Yes, I have to say this, the minute I used it, it left my face bright and illuminated. Oh my god, it was like, I was like, where have you been all my life? Like seriously, this is so awesome. And it's a plus that it's for all skin types, so I don't think it would irritate anyone's skin. It hasn't irritated my skin at all. This is so good. Mario Badescu actually sent me a box, which I am so honored and I am so blessed and I appreciate it so much that they actually sent me a box of goodies. But I've been using this for about 3 weeks now. Yeah, 3 weeks now. And I cannot complain. I love this. I feel like my skin has improved a lot, like in the fact that I have normal skin, but I notice that sometimes I need a little bit of push of a product to really make my face nice, moisturized and bright, and this has done the job. I really love this, and I don't think I'm going to be using anything else but this for now on. Now I'm going to go with the mask. The mask that I've been using. Like I said, I have 3 different facial masks and then I have like the sheet masks as well. So I'm going to start with the one that I was using before a lot, which is this L'Oreal Pure Clay Mask. It says it's for brightening the face as well and just to clean, and it's for dry skin. As you can tell, I'm like down to nothing. This was really good. I haven't been using it lately because I've moved on. But yeah, when I was using it, this was great. So the second one that I was using a lot, as you can tell, this thing is like dirty as hell, is this turmeric and honey reviving mask. And this is by Pearlescence. And I bought this at Marshall's because I was looking for a different like mask. I heard turmeric is really good, if I'm saying that correctly, is really good for dark circles and for dullness as well. This is a antioxidant rich deep cleaning mask, and it's reviving treatment for dry, dull skin. So this is why I purchased this one, and it really did its job. I love this. I use it occasionally, switching with the other masks. If you see this in Marshall's whenever you go, this is a must-have, especially in the winter time. This is perfect. So the third mask that I've been using is this Mario Badescu Flower and Tonic Mask. OMG. This thing is so good. I don't know why I wasn't purchasing Mario Badescu things before. Like, I swear, this has changed my life forever. This is for clogged pores or any excess oil. It's mild, deep cleaning mask, and is formulated with natural minerals to help draw impurities from skin, as gardenia extract and natural source of antioxidant rich ferulic acid helps brighten, hydrate, and support collagen content in skin. Whew. This is just magic in a bottle, I swear. This is so good. I feel the difference after I've used this. I'm actually going to put this one on while I talk to you guys, because why not? Let me just do a demo. So I like to use a little brush just to apply it. And yeah, I'm just going to apply it all over the face. Kind of weird. This is the first time I do a video like this, when I try on or putting on facial cleaners, but I was like, why not? You're supposed to leave this on for 15 to 20 minutes. And I don't know if I should talk to you guys wearing a mask. It's kind of weird. I guess I will. The sheet mask that I've been using and lip mask or hydrating lip gels, whatever you want to call it, I call it lip mask, are these two, and these are from Patchology, and they also sent me these. I know, I feel so blessed. They sent me several of these, and I love this one. This one is to illuminate the face, made with licorice extract, grapefruit seed. It's supposed to brighten up and put your freshest face forward in 5 minutes. I actually have to say it does do that. I like to apply this when I'm in a rush and I have to do my makeup and I want to brighten up my face before I, apply my makeup. This is so good, I swear. Like, purchase this. This Patchology sheet mask is amazing. These Patchology lip gels, hydrating lip gels, are to die for. I seriously feel like after just using one of these, my lips were hydrated for weeks. I swear, I'm not even gonna lie. Like, my lips get really bad. I don't know why. I always get like these really bad chappy lips, but after I used this once, it made my lips so nice and hydrated, and they're not even chappy. Like the skin, I usually have like little pellejitos and stuff like that. After I use this, I don't have that, and I'm like being, in all honesty, I'm being serious. Like, I was thinking about this yesterday, actually. I was like, yeah, my lips do not feel chapped. And I was wondering why. And I'm like, Then I thought, hello, I used this, and I swear this made a difference for me in my skincare routine. I'm going to be purchasing these for now on. I'm back. So after I apply a mask, I usually apply toner. Toners are usually for any excess dirt, makeup, or anything that you have left off that the cleaner didn't remove. So the one that I've been using is this Pixie Skin Treats Glow Tonic, and I've been loving this. A little goes a long way with this. I bought this like a month ago and I still have, you know, plenty, and this is a sample size. So I like to use a cotton ball, but I don't have any cotton balls at the moment. I literally used the last one this morning, so I'm just going to use this and I'm going to apply that all over the face. And this tonic or toner, I call it tonic. This toner, it smells so good and it makes your face feel so nice and refreshed. I've seen and heard so many good things about this Pixie Glow Tonic one that I had to try it, and it's actually an exfoliating toner. So yeah, it's good for acne as well. Whew, it feels so good. After I apply a toner, I like to apply a facial spray. So I have two at the moment. This one is by Sue, I think that's how you say it. And this is a revitalizing rose mist, and I love this one. Like, I have nothing left. I bought this one at Walmart and I will purchase it again. If I didn't have this one is the one I would be using. I love it. Mario Badescu sent me this one, and it's also a facial spray with aloe herbs and rose water. So both of these are rose water facial mists. So they pretty much do the same thing, except this one has a little bit of more ingredients to it. But they're both really good. They feel great. Before I apply makeup, it's perfect. After I apply makeup, it's perfect. So yeah, these two are a must-have. So I'm just gonna be spraying this all over the face. Whew. It actually tastes good too. I'm weird like that. But yeah, it tastes good. But yeah, I like to let that dry a bit. And then I'll go in with the other products. I like to apply after is an eye cream, and I've been using this Nourish Organic Renewing Eye Cream, and this one is with avocado and argan, and it is for normal to dry skin, and a little goes a long way with this. You don't need to apply that much. That's why this little thing lasts forever. You just apply a little tiny bit. An eye cream is important because once you hit your 20-somethings, you need to start taking care of your eyes, because under the eye area is very sensitive. And as well, when you apply makeup, you need to apply an eye cream when you're going to apply concealer, especially if you have dark circles, because you need to have it nice and moisturized. If not, the concealer likes to cake up and look nasty once you apply the powders as well. It's always good to have an eye cream. So if you don't have an eye cream, purchase any eye cream that you want. This is the one that I've been using. An eye cream is a must in your skincare routine. For a moisturizer, I have a couple of moisturizers here. Also other things that I wanted to speak about, but I'm just generally speaking on how my AM routine would be. So then the extra stuff I'll talk about in a minute. I have a couple of moisturizers here, but honestly, what I have been using for maybe 2 years now, and I won't stop using, is coconut oil. I use coconut oil day and night when not applying makeup or anything. Like regularly, I just use coconut oil. If I know that I'm going to go out or I'm going to apply makeup, then I'll go in with, you know, these moisturizers or other moisturizers. But regularly, I will apply coconut oil. Some people say coconut oil is not good for them, so I wouldn't recommend using coconut oil if you have oily skin or if you have acne prone skin. Don't use it, because I've heard it has messed up some people's faces, but for me, it's been good, and coconut oil is really healthy to eat for the skin, for the hair, so I use coconut oil on everything. So yeah, I wouldn't recommend using it. Just if you would like to use it, then just be careful with it. Just try it out before you use it regularly. Just try it out on like a little patch on your face just to see if it's any good. The other moisturizer that I've been using, and this, I swear, this little thing has lasted me forever. The Pixie 3-in-1 Rose Flash Balm. This is a moisturizer, a primer, and a mask. It's a balm, so it feels extra thick, which is good, and it's supposed to help with fatigued skin. So I'm going to actually apply this one today because I'm going to be applying makeup afterwards, and I swear this is so good. Like, it refreshes the face automatically and it smells amazing. Bring it down to your neck. Always, when you're gonna apply moisturizer, don't forget your neck. Your neck is very important because you don't get a lot of sunlight. Sunlight does give vitamins to your skin, so you gotta moisturize your skin. The other moisturizer I've been using is this Garnier Skin Active Refreshing Gel Cream. It's a moisture rescue and it's for normal combination skin. This is basically to, like, when you apply it, it feels like nice and tingly. It's a gel. So yeah, I bought it because I needed something for under my eye area, and I like to put it in the fridge. And once you take it out and you apply it all over the face, it feels nice and refreshing, and it feels amazing, especially in the morning. You wake up and you apply this, it's perfect. Just any moisturizer really will help in your skincare routine. Okay, so the extra products that I wanted to talk about in my skincare routine are micellar, I don't know how to say that, but this is a cleansing water. When I want to remove my makeup, this is what I use before I wash my face. So I will go in with this, and this is not the one. The one inside here is the Garnier Fructis one. I just put it in here because I like that this one has a pump. The other one doesn't have a pump. So I actually bought this on clearance at Walmart, and I love the pump. So now when I buy my other ones, which is usually the Garnier Fructis one, I just pour it in here to remove like heavy makeup. This is perfect. And I've also been using these Patchology cleaning facial wipes, and these are the clean as fuck wipes. So I will use this, wipe it off with this, and I'll go in to melt any extra makeup that I have. I will go in with this Soothing Cleansing Milk, and this is by Garnier Fructis. This is made with rose water, and it's a vegan formula. Not that I need anything vegan, but yeah, I just wanted something that would melt the extra makeup because I do apply a lot of makeup, and this has been doing good for me. It does its job, what I need it for, so this is perfect for removing extra makeup as well. So what I will do is start with this, then take this, and then use a cleaner. Yes, I know it's a lot, but you have to take care of your skin when you apply a lot of makeup, and I do apply a lot of makeup. And I want to do extra cleaning after I apply makeup. I will clean my pores out with this Pore Perfecting Exfoliator, and this is by Dr. Brandt. And I love this thing. Like, this thing feels like it's pulling out my freaking soul out of my freaking face, out of my life, out of everything. This is so good. When I want to be extra and remove everything, this is my lifesaver. To remove my eye makeup, when I have extra eye makeup, I've been using this Mario Badescu eye makeup remover gel, and it's non-oily, so it's really good. And then last but not least, I'm going to talk about the lips. A lip lift peel. I like to apply this on the lips to exfoliate it, then I'll remove it and I'll apply this lip mask from Etrabel. I got this in a BoxyCharm. And then this one is by Lick Lips, and it's a nice lip mask. You actually leave this one on, you don't remove it, and it hydrates the lips, and then you can go apply your lipstick and you're good to go. So yeah, I think that's it. Oh my god, we're done. So yeah, this is the video. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you next time.